Hey everyone, today I just want to cover some of the accessories that I made for my Quickjacks. What I found was when I was working on some taller vehicles like my Raptor, that my Quickjacks didn't have quite enough lifting height to get the truck completely off the ground. Even with my frame extenders and both blocks, Quickjack recommends you can stack up to 2 blocks, it still wasn't quite enough lifting height to comfortably get all 4 wheels off the ground. Now I know they make a truck adapter for this. It's about 7 inches tall, but it is pretty pricey, and I wanted an inexpensive, simple, sturdy solution to this. So I went over to Home Depot, and for less than $30, I bought a piece of 8-foot 6x6 dimensional lumber. Very, very strong piece of wood, will far exceed the lifting capacity of the Quickjack itself, and I cut it exactly to the size of the trays on my adapter. I even cut little reliefs here so that it would clear the welds on the bottom, and now it fits perfectly into the frame itself. Doesn't move around, doesn't rattle, very, very sturdy. And now I can put a single 3-inch block on the top of this. I still get the full range that I would if I was inside the tray. I'll only stack a single one on top of the wood. I won't double them up. But real simple, basic solution that will definitely work. And this gets about 8.5 inches, which is just enough to comfortably get the truck off the ground so I can pull the wheels and do whatever I need to do on the truck. And once the wood dries out, I will slap a nice coat of paint on these things. The other problem I had with my Quickjack was with the floor. I found that going up and down, the Quickjack was starting to mar the floor a little bit, and I spent a lot of money having this floor professionally done, and I want to try to keep it as clean and nice as possible. So same thing with the wood. I was looking for an inexpensive solution just to keep it from marking up the floor. Same thing, Home Depot. This is just a universal vinyl mat, and I cut it to length. It's a little bit longer, a little bit wider than the Quickjack itself. I can still slide the Quickjack around on the floor on here, but it's thin enough where it doesn't compress when you put weight on it, but it will lock onto the floor and will not move. So this is definitely going to be a good, easy solution to keep the floor from getting marked up when I'm bringing the Quickjacks up and down. So if you're looking for some basic solutions to some of these common problems with some of these Quickjacks, I hope this video helped. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.